Good morning. In the last class we have seen that air occupies space, and the second practical we have seen that air has weight. These two we have studied about that, and today we are going to study about the air helps in burning. The small practical is this: take lighted candle and fix it on a table. Take a lighted candle and fix it on a table. Then it will be burning. After some time you can take glass and invert it on a candle. Cover the candle with a glass beaker or jar. Then what do you think will happen? This will put out. The candle will not burn after some time. Why? Because air is not there inside the glass. So that is why this will goes out. Where there is a air, the candle is lighting, and where there is no air, the candle will not light, does not light. It will off, it will put out, it will out, it goes out. So air helps in burning. This shows that air helps in burning. Once again, take a lighted candle, fix it on a table, then after some time you can invert the glass on a lighted candle. What happens? After some time the candle goes out. Why? Because the air is not present inside. Air is not there inside the glass. That is why this will goes out. This goes out. Okay. This is the small practical. We can do it. So I'll show you. Now can you see that candle is fixed on a table? I am putting this glass jar on this candle because air is there, that's why the candle is continues to burn. I am inverting a glass jar on this lighted candle. You can observe how the air is, how the candle is goes out. Can you see that? Because as long as the air was there, it was burning. Once when I have inverted this glass on the candle, immediately it goes off. This shows that air helps in burning. So this practical shows that air helps in burning. How I have inverted the glass on a burning candle. After some time, slowly it reduced the flames and slowly it put off. So this shows that as long as the air was there, it was keep on burning, and the moment air was finished, it was not there. The air was blocked after inverting the glass. So it was put off. This shows that air helps in burning. Then next, polluted air. So we need fresh air to breathe, isn't it? So when air contains many gases, that smoke, dust and tiny particles or small germs which we cannot see with our naked eyes. So that's why those things are present in the air. Then what comes out? So that is why smoke that comes out from vehicles and factories, those are all harmful gases. Those are all harmful gases. So it makes the air dirty and pollution. This is called a pollution. So what makes the air dirty? The smoke which are coming out from the vehicles, black smokes you might have seen many times, the vehicles which are running on the roads, the cars, buses, mainly the 7-seaters. So they lose the carbons, black smoke. If not, you can observe that. So that will be coming out through this. And the factories also, manufacturing factories are there. That's why the factories should be out of the city, away from the residential areas and all. Out of the cities, away from the cities, because they give out the black smoke which pollute the air, and breathing harmful air is not good for our health. It is poisonous. So vehicles and factories, they give out smoke, black smoke. Those are harmful gases which is not good for our health. So what we have to do to control this air pollution? So we have to plant more and more trees around our houses, and around the cities also we have to plant more and more trees. So trees clean air. That's why we sometimes we go to the gardens and all. There many more trees are there. We breathe the fresh air. We get fresh air. If more trees are there, we get more fresh air. Trees, they clean the air. Have you understood? One practical I have shown you today, that air helps in burning, and air polluted air. What is pollution? What is the air pollution? Air pollution means air contains smoke, dust and tiny particles called germs, and smoke that comes out from the vehicles and factories. They give out the harmful gases which is not good for our health. That is why. And what we have to do, what we must do to control this pollution, we must plant more and more trees, and the factories also should be away from the cities, away from the residential areas. So this, and timely we have to check the pollution. We have to check the vehicle to the pollution check. Sometimes you might have seen the people who are standing pollution check, they show the board and all. So there we have to go and check the vehicles. Pollution check also we have to regularly do it. This is how we can control the pollution. Now you can open your textbook and see this. And always we have to keep our windows open to get the fresh air in. Polluted air, we need clean air to breathe. Air contains dust, smoke and tiny particles called germs. Smoke that comes out from vehicles and factories have harmful gases. These things make the air dirty. Dirty air is called polluted air. We should plant more trees around us. Trees clean the air. We should check our vehicles regularly. We should keep the windows open to let in fresh air. So these two things we have learned. Children, you too plant a small, take a pot and plant it, small plant, and put water to the plants, let it grow and observe how you feel nice and happy. For that, today we have learned these two things. With this we have completed this lesson number 3, air. In the next class we will be writing new words and few objective type. Thank you.